Well, hello. Look what I just received. And of course, came all the way from China. I've been waiting for this for quite a bit. Let's take it out the box. Look at here. We got the BB antenna. It's a loop antenna. 9.9 kilohertz up to 181 megahertz. Let me take that out the bag here. There we go. Let's get it out the bag. Small. Okay, we got that. And of course, we got your radio. There we go. We got the little Si4732. Won't be needing that. There it is. Let me zoom in there. Okay, so here it is. It's a 3D printed case. Okay, got the switch right there. It's a power switch. Of course, you got the USB-C, Type-C there for charging. Earphone jack. Of course, it has a, you can barely see it there, but there's like there's a bunch of holes right there. That's where the speaker is located. Right there. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, yeah, there you go. You see a couple of, like, cutouts. Okay. And of course, you got your SMA connector there. And let's put the antenna on this guy. Of course, you could also use it with a whip antenna. I did get this from AliExpress. I ordered this back in January the 13th, and it finally arrived a couple hours ago. Long story. Of course, I talked about it on my live streams. So, anyway, it finally arrived here. So let's turn it on. Of course, it's on medium wave right now, 10 winds. And this is also a multi-function button. You press it once, you can select the bands. Of course, you can tune with this also. Okay, if you press it twice rapidly, you get the other menu where you could you do all these different modes of BFO with bandwidth, all that stuff. Okay. As you can see. And of course, you want to switch it to, sorry about that. Go back to, you want to switch it to like, you see, you have, excuse me, sorry about that. You get different 80 meters, shortwave 1 and 2, 40 meters, so on. Got quite a bit, you can jump around in this. Okay. Of course, you got a VHF right here. Oh, sorry about that. Then you have all. Then you have 10 meters and so on. Let's go back to medium wave. Okay, so there you go. Because the audio is very, even though I have a max volume, 63, it is kind of, don't expect this audio to be mind-blowing, audio sound, but it's interesting. It's an interesting radio. Can't wait to test it out. Gonna hook it up with my U-loop down here in the basement. Of course, I gotta fully charge it. Just the battery right there. And I'm gonna probably hook it up with a computer speaker. I may do a live stream soon, and of course in the boiler room here, just tuning this radio and have fun with it. So there you go. So I just finally received the radio. And here it is with the loop antenna. Okay, I paid a total of $27.92 from AliExpress. Of course, I don't want to talk about the AliExpress experience because lately their service has been very bad. So anyway, I finally received it, so very happy about that. Of course, I'll be making a bunch of videos on it. I will do a review on it also eventually. So there you go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.